Hey guys, welcome back, and today I wanted to do a quick video on a trade that we took on ZETA Global Holdings, so that's ZETA. So I did a video of this some time back. I won't go through all the details of that. However, let's talk about the setup. I was looking for a breakout of this area of $19.43. So the entry was right here. We got into this trade on the 15th of May. We had the breakout, successful breakout right here. We exited this trade right here at $22.94, where we have the yellow line. We exited right there. We had some runners go up all the way to about $25.97, held on to them. However, we didn't see the continuation that I was expecting, and that would be opening right about here and having a continuation right here on the upside. However, we saw it open lower today, break this low right here, break this low right there, and we ended up going all the way to about $22.60, and we kind of recovered back above this $22.90 right above there. So we've discussed the setup, the entry we got in right there. The stop loss was right here at $16.62, the exit right there, and the risk reward. So for this trade, it turned out to be a 1:10.85 type of trade. You can say 11 just for giggles, but pretty good risk reward. That is something that I really advocate for right here in our Discord and in our channel. The whole point of risking just a bit, risking too little, and having higher rewards. Actually, this was the stop was about 52 cents, and the risk reward was 10.85. You can say 11. So anyway, you can see all that right there. So a couple of things that I do have in mind is I do really think ZETA is pretty primed up to go further up. I think we can go further up. We had a very good run. It dropped all the way to about $14. This was $15.75 all the way to 25 right there, right about here. So a pretty good run on it. I think we need a breather. Number one, two scenarios that I'm thinking about is I want to see us hold right above here and not break this area one more time, because the thing is that we are so far away from this daily 21 right here. That's why I keep saying we need to hold above this level, not break this low, because if we break that low, an area of consideration would either we would be waiting to catch up with this daily 21 because it's so far away. So that's just my opinion, but when you look at this thing on the monthly, I think we can go further up to even maybe this 38 or even 40, who knows where. But I think we can go further up, but we need to maintain or stay above this level right here, above $22.94. So just wanted to share a quick recap on this trade, on what we were doing. So we spoke about the entry, told you guys we got into this on 5:15, and I showed that to you over here. We got into this right here, 5:15, added a few more ZETA calls on the 18th, because the incoming volume was pretty good. I was expecting a big move to the upside. Exited this trade on the 29th of May. So that's right around this candle right here that I showed you. So let's take some profit off on ZETA and leave runners to try and see how far we can go. So above here, we were about 200% on this trade. When we closed this trade on this candle, we were about 160%. And let me show that to you here. So right here. So the first batch of calls, you can see about 109%, bought them an average of 220, sold 460 right there, 109% on that. And then on the runners, let me find the runners. Where are the runners? So this is mine personally. I was up about 160%, sold them finally at about $5.72. So you can see all that. So 160% on that. Let's look at something here. The trade results. I like sharing this so you can see what we're actually doing. So you can see so 106%. I think that's the wrong one. Let me find it here. So okay, so you can see 109%, 109%, 112, 102, 111, 165%. So you can see all that and what we do in our Discord group. So I hope you find that helpful. I do appreciate you taking the time to check out this video. More than anything, I can really appreciate if you like our content. Subscribe on our channel, like our videos, so that when I have something that is of interest to me, I can really share with you guys. And you can stay up to date on what we're up to, and maybe even grow personally as swing options trader. So thank you for taking the time to watch this, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.